Mil-Spec Supply Incorporated remains committed to staying ahead of the curve amidst the changing technologies and current trends in business today. Behind the scenes, our military, industrial, and commercial-grade products aid in the turning of gears in society. For almost 70 years, we have built a reputation for quality, excellence, and reliability. Mil-Spec Supply Inc. is able to offer you a wide range of value-added services, such as hot stamping, cutting and stripping, twisting, dyeing, striping, tinning, etching, and re-spooling. We keep a surplus of ready-to-buy wire, cable, and tubing for your convenience. Mil-Spec Supply Inc. was established in 1956 as your premier source for a broad range of all high-temperature military-grade wire, cable, coax, and tubing products. We proudly boast a proven track record for customer satisfaction and continue to maintain the highest standards for our products, staff, and valued clients. We create opportunities for expansion, making your jobs easier and producing better quality. Call Mil-Spec for the best wire for your tech.